For the first time, we were able to restore a real-time sensory feeling in an amputee while he was controlling this sensorized hand.
It was quite amazing because suddenly I could feel something that I haven't been feeling for 9 years.
Scientists began testing on pigs before recently introducing the technology to humans. The technology uses electronics that give sensory feedback or the feeling to the brain. This eliminates a sensation known as phantom limb. It's a feeling that a lost body part is still attached. This type of technology brings possibility of new research into having prosthetics that feel real and can detect texture and temperature. The Bionic Hand is revolutionary because it's the first of its kind. It really allows the patient to feel. So how exactly do they do it? To understand this, we need to understand what a neuron is. Every body part has neurons. So what exactly is a neuron? To illustrate this, let's look at the example of a hand. It's connected to your brain through neurons. Neurons are made out of three main components: the cell body, or the soma, the axons, and the dendrites. The axon detects the signal, and the dendrites, like branches, move it across the body. Electrical signals move through neurons, and the spinal cord houses the neurons. The spinal cord allows for connection between the brain and the body. This is how we move and how we detect pain. Ouch! Now let's take a look at prosthetics. Prosthetics come in many shapes and sizes, and they also affect our economy. There will be a big economic change for companies who both make the materials for prosthetics and for those companies who are in biotech. One will lose profit while the other gains. Prosthetics aren't just used by people. They're used by a lot of different animals as well. Check out all the different animals that use prosthetics. There's no doubt that prosthetics are changing lives for the better, whether it's for animals or for people. Bionic technologies are even being used in sports equipment. A lot of different companies are investing in these kinds of technologies because they allow for new avenues of consumer development. These advancements for people and for athletes don't just stop there. Bionic men like Frank here are also being developed. With these major developments, anything is possible. So, what do you think?